Ever wondered why your joints crack when you stretch or move? Joint cracking happens when the pressure inside the joint capsule changes, causing bubbles in the synovial fluid to rapidly form and pop. When you stretch or move a joint, you stretch the capsule, reducing the pressure inside and allowing the bubbles to collapse. The popping sound is those bubbles bursting. Contrary to popular belief, occasional joint cracking isn't harmful and doesn't cause arthritis. It's just a normal release of gas bubbles in the joint. So, if you hear a crack, don't worry. Your joints are just letting off some steam. Subscribe for more quick science tips. Comment if you like to crack your joints.